The green light on your BT Smart Hub 2 indicates a stable and connected broadband link. It means your hub has successfully synced with BT's network, establishing a DSL or fiber connection. If the light is steady green, your internet should be working optimally. If it's not green or flashing, there's a connection issue. The green light on your BT Smart Hub 2 confirms that your internet access is active and stable. Without a steady green light, data cannot flow from the hub to your devices, leaving you completely offline. Understanding this indicator is the first step in troubleshooting any internet connectivity problems with your BT Smart Hub 2. A non-green light signals that the hub is not properly connected to the internet. The first and simplest fix is to power cycle your BT Smart Hub 2. This resets the modem and resolves about 60% of connection issues. Unplug the hub from the power outlet and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the internal components to fully reset. Plug the hub back into the power outlet. You'll see the lights begin to turn on. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the hub to fully reboot and establish the connection. Look for a steady green broadband light to confirm it's working. Inspect all cable connections. Ensure the microfilter is correctly connected to the phone line and the hub. Use a known good cable to test the connection between the hub and the wall socket. Loose or faulty cables are a common cause of connection problems. If power cycling and cable checks don't resolve the issue, try a software reset through the web interface. Open your web browser and navigate to 192.168.1.254 to access the hub's settings. Once logged in, look for the reboot option in the hub settings to restart it remotely. This can resolve temporary software issues. If rebooting doesn't work, you can perform a factory reset from the web interface. Be aware that this will restore the hub to its original settings, erasing any custom configurations you've made. For persistent issues, manually update the hub's firmware via the web interface. If problems continue, contact BT for a line test. A red light often indicates a fault in BT's infrastructure, requiring an engineer visit. Before contacting, note down any error messages displayed in the hub interface. Several factors can cause green light failures on your BT Smart Hub 2. First, outdated firmware can introduce bugs that prevent proper synchronization with the network. Environmental factors, such as cold weather, can cause external wiring to become brittle or affected by moisture. Network congestion during peak hours can overload the connection, leading to disconnections. Physical damage to cables or the hub itself, like cuts or wear, can interrupt the signal. Rural areas are more susceptible due to longer lines and greater exposure to weather conditions. BT is phasing out the Smart Hub 2 in favor of newer models. While support continues, the older hub has limitations with modern internet demands. Newer models like the Smart Hub 3 and Hub 6 provide significant improvements, including Wi-Fi 6E technology for faster and more reliable connections, especially in homes with many devices. As shown in speed tests, newer BT hubs deliver faster Wi-Fi speeds across multiple rooms and devices compared to the older Smart Hub 2. Looking ahead, BT aims to phase out the Smart Hub 2 entirely by 2027, encouraging upgrades to the Hub 6 with built-in AI for automatic fixes and lower power consumption. The trend toward mesh networks is growing, offering seamless Wi-Fi throughout larger homes. If your Hub 2 issues continue and you're on an older plan, contact BT to see if you're eligible for a free or discounted upgrade. Support remains available for existing users, but upgrading provides the best long-term solution.